Hi, I'm Donnie. I've been with Appliance Master going on 6 years now, and I gotta say I love this career that I have. It's more of a lifestyle, really. I wake up, I have a schedule. I go over the schedule every morning as a morning routine. It's part of my routine in the mornings. I get up, first thing I do is I grab my iPad. I set up my coffee and I'll sit down and I'll review my schedule and make sure everything is okay on my end. From there, I'll put on my shoes, head out the door, head right to the truck, get her started up, and away I go to my first call. You meet all sorts of different people in the world, but as an appliance master technician, we represent the company, so I greet all my customers the same way. When I knock on the door, I take one step back so I don't feel like I'm intruding their lifestyle. I'll introduce myself, say, "Hi, I'm Don with Appliance Master, and I'm here to check out your refrigerator, your oven, whatever it may be." You start off working very easy on dryers, and you got the world at your fingertips, the World Wide Web. You've got tech support, and you've got technicians in the company to help. You come to an appliance, it can be fixed. That's my going in attitude is, whatever's wrong with this, it can be fixed. As long as the parts are available, it can be fixed. The technology helps a lot. It saves so much time in the customers' homes. On a daily basis, I have customers go, "Wow, that was fast." So presenting a quote is very simple with our software. Basically, we just plug in the part number, it comes up with the job cost. We present that to the customer with full confidence, obviously, and then we send it off to them via email. It's better for the customer if the truck is stocked with parts because they're getting their appliance fixed on day one. And this makes everybody happy, and yourself included. But I can tell you right now, there's nothing pleases the customer more to know that you have that part on your truck. Cleaning up, wiping down the appliance, in the surrounding area is very important. It shows that you care. It shows the customer that you care. And like I said earlier, you're being welcomed into this home. And chances are, if you keep their house clean, you'll be called back. You'll be getting another call back for another appliance. But the most important thing and the respectful thing to do is to leave it as you found it. When we come to the end of our diagnosis, to come to the end of the scheduled call, there's a button we push to collect payment, and it prompts us to check credit card or cash. And you just press the appropriate button, plug in the appropriate information, and it doesn't get much simpler than that. So when you're finished with your appointment, it's important to synchronize your iPad and then check for your next appointment to see where it is. We also have a button integrated into our system. It's a text button. We can text the customer the same and let them know we're on our way. This company makes everything easy for us technicians. We get our own gas card for the vans. Everything prompts us to the appropriate numbers. We don't have to keep receipts. We have in our tablets a gas receipts button that we push and fill out all the information in there. I love to recycle because it keeps my van clean, it keeps the environment clean, and it's very important that we are respectful towards other technicians and other employees by cutting down the cardboard and putting the cardboard away and separating the metals from the plastics. We like to keep our vans clean as well. There's nothing more presentable than having a nice bright white van pull up into your home, into your driveway. It says a lot. Making repairs is usually not very difficult, especially if you have your truck stocked with parts. So you want to keep your truck stocked with these parts so that you can make these repairs on day one versus coming back a second time. In our tablet, we have a button in our software where we push to make the deposits. We don't have to handwrite anything. All the deposits are done right at the ATM. It's very simple, very effective, and it's something that needs to be done every day. So the end of day procedure is technician calling, scheduling, and going over our day, making sure that all our T's are crossed and all our I's are dotted before we close out the day.
Begin your rewarding career at Appliance Master today by following the Career tab on our website.